macOS has Apple Intelligence as far as I'm concerned with Warp. I will not stop talking about Warp. I really want to make a video on Warp. It is a terminal, but you can use AI prompts to do stuff. Great thing about this, I can say, copy this file to this location or install this package, whatever, through natural language. And it will, just because it has terminal access, it will do it. I'm using it like an operating system because it has access to my files, because it has access to applications. Now, they've introduced agents, which I think adds another layer. macOS has Apple Intelligence as far as I'm concerned with Warp. Genuinely, I really, really like it. And I think agents are just going to unlock that even further. Does this interest you, like the whole terminal thing?
Okay, so terminal is not for me yet because I'm still like getting used to code.
But it's not about code. This is the thing. It's natural language to say, open this app.
When I see these things, typically I'm trying to think of use cases. I'm not sure the use case for this, but I definitely see the use case or like the war that all these tools are trying to win on the OS level, to be the agent that you want, to be this assistant that we all wanted and dreamed of.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.